So previously on designing my dream home, we looked at the bathroom, guest room, and the stairway. Along with art, I love architecture and interior designing, but I'm not trained in any of these fields. I always want to know what my house would look like in the future, so I choose to do this as a fun hobby, to look for designs I like, and I'm going to do it with you guys. You can follow along. Just note, my focus is never on material things but my soul. So the living room that I would want is a black and white living room. I want my living room to be a theater and a living room in one. That means it can transform from a normal living room to a theater setting. I don't really want a theater room. I believe that is a waste of space, but as I said, if God provides it, even though God is going to provide everything, if God wants me to have that, then let it be. But for me, I don't want any theater room. The living room is good enough. Plus, I'm not even watching movies as often anymore. So let's do this. Living rooms, black and white. Oh, this is cute. Alright, so black and white living room. I would definitely want like a black couch. Oh, this is nice. So let me save this in a new tab. Definitely want a black accent wall. This has a black accent wall. Let's type in living room, black and white, sofa, black and white. Alright, no, black floors. I would want the floors to be black also. What should I type in? So I just typed in black, but you get the vibes based on the picture here. This is cute, this one here. So you have the black accent wall, you have the black mat. I would like a black sofa though. Living room and theater in one. Alright, these are cute. Look at this one here. Save in tab. But they took out the black vibes out of it though. I forgot that I wanted also an open concept. The dining room and the living room will join. Oh, this is cute. Alright, so this is my best bet, guys. This is really my best bet right here. The black accent wall, the black mat. I would want a black sofa. So I'm going to save that in a new tab, and I would want something to like can open and close the parts of the theater from the dining room when it's movie night, or a glass closing door or something like that. This is also a good one here. This one, but it's not gonna be too black. It's a good one too. I want a bit of black and a bit of white in it. Alright, so you guys get the idea on that. I'm going to research a bit more offline and see what I can find concerning that. Alright, so let's look at what we got so far for the living room. This one. This is not black, but I would like this thing here to part of living room when it's movie night. This one is extremely jet black. I don't want all of the walls to be painted black, but it's close to what is in my head. This one is much closer to what is in my head, and then we have like the neon lights and stuff. That's a good idea. The floors here I love. Definitely the sofa, the table, I love that. But the wall at the back is white. I would want that black. This one, I wouldn't want the roof to be black. Definitely would not want the roof to be black. The floor should be black instead. This one, reminds me of a clothes concept when it's movie night. So when it's movie night, just picture something closing here to part of whatsoever is outside, and we have the living room in this section here. I hope you're getting what I'm saying, but those are some good ideas. But I'm gonna do a bit more research to see what else I can find. Alright guys, so this is the closest I could find to what is in my head. This matte black living room here. So you can see that the floor is black, and then the sofa is black, and you have the black accent wall, and then the other walls are white. Or this one here, you have the it's black in general, but then it has enough light coming in and the roof is white. I like that also. And here it is again at a different angle, so you have the white here and the black there. I love that. I also like this. So now we're done with the living room, so let's start with the dining room now. Alright, so now we're going to look at the dining room. How would I want my dining room to look? Now obviously I mentioned that I would want a black and white living room, so I would want that concept to tie in. So I'm going to type in dining room black, or should I type in black dining room? Yeah, we'll see what we get. Ooh, it's too dark, it's too dark, it's too dark. Alright, I don't like the dark walls, so definitely a white wall in the dining room. I would like resin resin. So I would like my dining room table to be a DIY, not a DIY, but a custom made dining table. Remember, I am an artist, people, so I definitely want a custom made dining room table to go with my theme. Oh, this is cute. Opening tab. Oh my god, this is cute. This one here, peeps. You see how it's cute? Black, so it goes with the opening tab. So it goes with the living room. So I would want that. So also in the dining room, I would want a pantry. Not gonna go too much in details with the pantry. I just want something neat and clean. So it's gonna be in between the kitchen and the dining room, the pantry. Something neat and clean. It doesn't have to be fancy or anything. Opening a new tab. You know, neat and clean and functionable, and everything can hold, etc. So I'm gonna put pots and pans in there, food, etc. After the dining room, because nothing much is going to be in the dining room but the table and the pantry. So alright, so this is how a dining room looks. It's very simple. It just has the dining room table and basically nothing else. Picture on the walls. So this is an example of a dining room. It just has a table, picture on the wall, and probably this. I don't want anything like that. So the dining room is very simple. These are the pictures that we gathered. This is excellent. I don't want nothing much in my dining room. Nothing much. The less things I have, the less work, the less cleaning. Look at this view again. This is a good type of chair. You see how like it's easy to clean? That is what I want. If you have the pantry, just something neat and clean, nothing fancy. But in making this pantry, I would definitely have to think about what I'm going to put it in, what I'm going to put inside, so I can make the partitions accordingly. I am going to go offline and do a bit more research and see what I want. So now we're going to go to the man cave and see what man wants in the man cave. Definitely man cave is not going to be too big. I would want for him to have his office in there, his little resting area in there, and those kind of things that men would want. So this is a good idea. Soft chair, is little computer there. This is a good idea. This is a good idea with the sofa too. But he would have to decide, and probably some of his tool can be stored in the man cave. Games and stuff can also be in the man cave. Alright, so I'm gonna do a bit more research and see what I think he would like for the man cave and even get his opinion and come back on that. Alright guys, so this is what I gathered so far on the man cave, just random ideas. So this is the first one that we looked at. Alright, I really like the matte black here, would go with the living room setting. This is a good idea with the speakers here because he is a big music person, so the speakers would be nice. Game spot here and his little office. So somehow would have to tie everything together. But this is the idea that I collected so far for the man cave. Alright, so we're almost done with the downstairs area. So we looked at the man cave, the living room or slash theater, the dining room, the foyer, the bathroom, and the guest room. So join me on next episode and we will look at the gym, kitchen, bathroom slash sauna slash toilet, and washroom. So we're almost done with the downstairs area, and please stay tuned for the art room slash office, and then we'll be done with the downstairs area. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.